Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use drafts on Instagram, how to save, find and delete your drafts. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First press on plus button at the bottom menu. After that press on File or Files, which you want to save as a draft. Next tap on the right arrow at the top right corner. After that tap Write once more and here write any caption. For example, glasses. To save your post as a draft, tap Return at the top left corner and tap Return once more. After that, we have a pop-up dialog, Save as draft. Yes, save draft, confirm. Now when we can find our drafts. To do this, tap on plus button once more and we see the draft. Tap on it. We see our draft, but how can we edit it? To do this, we need to tap to manage text. And after that, tap on edit icon at the top right corner. Now we can select our draft. To disk it, tap on check mark at the top right corner. After that, confirm that we want to disk it our draft and our draft has been removed. And how to post our draft? Let's add the draft once more. Choose it, forward, write a caption, subscribe, return, save draft, go to the drafts, select our draft and tap on forward arrow. Here you can edit any options and after that tap on check mark at the top right corner to publish and we have our draft as a post. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.